Welcome to Vesta Stoves, our family business located in the United Kingdom in Lancashire. We manufacture all of our wood burning and multi-fuel stoves from scratch using stainless steel. With the help of the latest tech and equipment, our skilled craftsmen ensure the perfect fire for your home. From origin to finish, your fire has been designed and assembled within our factory in Tarleton. See, when you purchase from us, it's not just a piece of furniture you're getting, but also the story behind it. A stove from our family to yours. Thank you for watching, and why not become a part of our story at www.vestastoves.co.uk.